in successful people, and that is that we all have a paradigm of service. I over-deliver like crazy. So if you've trained with me in the past, you'll already know that. Or if you are brand new to my inner circle, I'm going to give you access to all the information and all the mentorship in a very systematic way that you can put into practice immediately. And you'll be certain that your client's response is as predictable to you as the sun rises every single day.
Yeah, they look perfect.
That's so good,
perfect.
Day after day, I continue to see well-intended permanent makeup technicians continue to perform inadequate procedures on their poor clients just because they didn't know any better and they couldn't find access to the training and the support and the mentorship that they needed in this industry. All I can personally say is the consequences of not doing this job right, not knowing your stuff inside and out and back to front. We're permanently tattooing people's faces. As a trainer, I can get you to move effortlessly through all these stages of learning because I can stimulate the curiosity within you, and you'll get there so much faster under your own steam. Even if you're one of the best in the industry already, I promise you that there is more to learn. So I would advise you to get out your pencil, get out your notepad and your highlighter pen and absorb these tips like a thirsty sponge. I personally believe that we all get to create our own reality and that we can design our own business and run it exactly the way that we want to run it. Having that belief system and that particular mentality has such a high value in every single decision that I make when I'm training people, when I'm dealing with people, and when I'm dealing with the general public. There's so many technical videos out there of how to do eyebrows. There's so many and amazing ones as well. But this is not about that. Although there is a small technical element, there is so much to learn, and I teach you objective truths of business, as well as human nature, as well as customer service. And these apply everywhere, at all times, in every single country and to every age group. And the interesting thing about objective truths is that they are true no matter who you are and no matter what you believe in. When I teach, I think very hard about what level of information I'm going to share with you in this moment as opposed to other moments. And why? Because I'm trying to be the most effective mentor that I possibly can. And that doesn't mean telling everybody everything I know about permanent makeup on our first encounter. Working on yourself is the best investment that you will ever make. So we'll start with the simplest, we'll start with all the foundations and we'll build up from there. With permanent makeup, it is an art form, and that is why the learning never stops, because it's an open passage. See what I teach you as a loose framework and how to do it, and leave enough of an open door to internalize your own way of doing things. If you want rock solid technical information, as well as my hard-won tips, tricks, techniques, trade secrets from all over the world that are not only going to make your life easier, your procedures easier, but they're going to make your clients line up and practically beg you for permanent makeup appointments, then you have come to the exact right place. I'm Katy Jobbins, and this is my masterclass.
And what I was saying to my friend, it's not, you don't just come and learn a skill. Actually, what Katy does is actually empower women. And it's about empowering women to, yeah, you can do it, you can open a business. You know, it doesn't matter if you're a single mom or, you know, whatever. You can actually do this and make money from it. And I think that was the bit that I think is absolutely, in a way, life-changing.
Yeah.
And that's what's really kind of kept with me. You know, you can go to into a course and learn the skill and it's isolated, and then you go off into the real world. Now, how do you actually transfer that, what you've learned? And I think exactly what I've just said, it's that transference of skills for you to then be able to see it in real life, build on it, make it your own, and make money from it. I think it's amazing.
Excellent. Well, great. We'll give you...
Hi, Katy here. I have a free gift for anybody in the permanent makeup industry. And if you go over to katyjobbinsmasterclass.com onto the free mini masterclass to try, I'm giving away a free bundle package, which is this one over here, worth £197, and we're going to be having a completely different type of conversation to any other that you're going to get in any other permanent makeup class. Now, the free gift includes my emotional branding video for permanent makeup artists, Myths, Lies and Product Ties, which is a mini masterclass blog, how to bring your unique vision to life, and also my ebook 28 expert tips to become a client magnet through referrals. So all you need to do is go mini masterclass to try, go to this box down here and press the get my free gift, £197, and that's completely free of charge. Bye.